Now we want to go ahead and choose a background style. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the Themes tab. We're going to under Theme Options, we're going to pick Background, and I want to go ahead and pick the Style 7 background. And you'll notice that it kind of brightens up the background there. Next, we're going to go ahead and insert Texture Fill as a background. So we're going to select Slide 4. We want to right-click and then go to Format Background. We want to go ahead and pick Picture or Texture. We want to do a texture for this particular background on this slide, and we want to pick Denim. We're going to go ahead and hit Apply. Now notice that it only applies that to the slide we're on. Okay, we could go ahead and do all slides, but we just want to do the one. Next, we want to insert a picture as a background. Some of you did know how to do this. It was very few of you, so I want to go ahead and go over that with you guys. So go ahead and select slide 1. We're going to do the same thing where we right-click and go to Format Background. And this time, we're going to do Picture or Texture, and we're going to go to Choose Picture. And we want to go ahead and go to the images that we downloaded. If you're starting this on a new day, then you'll want to go ahead and pause and go ahead and download those again. And the picture we want to pick is Sunrise Yoga. Alright, now before you hit OK, we want to go ahead and mess with the transparency of this. We don't want it to be that dark. We want to go ahead and change it to 10. And then you can either do the slider or type it in. I like to type it in. And then we're going to go ahead and hit OK on that one. And notice that it makes it a little lighter. We'll want to go ahead and adjust the transparency of this background as well. So remember, right-click, Format Background. Go to Picture or Texture so that way you can have that option. And we want to change this one to 35. Now we want to go ahead and format our font. So we're going to go back to slide 1. And we're going to go ahead and pick the subtitle, and we're going to highlight all 3 of those lines. We want to go ahead and change the font style to Papyrus, and we just want to do the regular version. Okay, we want to go ahead and go to Shadow. So we're going to come over here, click on this one here. We're going to add shadow text, and we're going to go to Shadow, and we want to actually go to Shadow Options, and we want to change the outer angle to 0. We want to change the color to Text 1 darker 5%, so it's basically this gray color. Then we're going to hit OK and apply that. Next, we want to go ahead and change the color, the actual color, and we want to go ahead and choose Accent 5, lighter 40%. Then we're going to go ahead and select slide 2. We want to format this font as well. So go ahead and click the font underneath. We want to change it to size 24. We want to go ahead and change this to the Papyrus as well. And we want to go ahead and bold it. Then go ahead to slide 3. We're going to do the same thing to this one here. 24. Papyrus. Bold. And we actually want to center that one as well. Go ahead and save this again as your practice exercise. And load this into My Big Campus and do your stuff.